Hey, what up YouTube? I just want to do a quick video on how to fix your computer if all of a sudden it turns on but it won't post, it won't go to the BIOS. I found a fix for mine. It might work for you. Um, First, of course, just reset the CMOS battery. Um, Hopefully you know how to do that on your motherboard. It's going to be, some of them have a switch on the back. I would reseat the RAM. Reseat the RAM, that's easy. If you already rid of the RAM, you need to reseat your CPU and check out the cooler that you have on there. If that doesn't work, you know, those are the simplest things. They're not going to cost you money. Then you need to look at what your motherboard's telling you. If it's got a red light, that obviously means, the CPU, depending on your motherboard. Mine had a yellow light that stayed on. So I have a B650 motherboard and a 7900X. Yeah, 7900X. I got it from Micro Center and they had a bundle. I got the B650 motherboard with the 7900X and it came with this RAM. And this RAM, I don't know if you'll have this G-Skill Flare, you can get your system to run with it, but it failed on after a week. These AM5 socket motherboards are very picky, and it did not like the RAM. I could not get this thing to boot up to save my life. I even tried just one RAM in the A2 slot, which you're supposed to do, and the RAM would work, but it wouldn't work on dual channel mode, and it pissed me off because I've been streaming, and it was just terrible. So I just went to Best Buy. I got some Corsair Vengeance RAM. So make sure you look at your motherboard. Look at what's typically what it takes on there. I would stick with Corsair. I'm sticking with Corsair now and fix the problem. Hopefully that fixes for you. If it does, please like and subscribe. Replace your RAM, and don't. Hopefully I can save somebody from replacing their whole motherboard and CPU. So, all right, y'all.